Hello. My name is Clara and I am living in Germany for 2 years already. I am from the Philippines, so I am doing my Ausbildung here and I'm going to share with you the things that is normal here in Germany but weird in the Philippines. So let's get bagay talaga na parang normal sa kanila dito as dito sa Europe or like in specific dito sa Germany, but like it's just normal sa kanila pero sa atin sobrang like weird, like bakit naman, parang bakit naman ginagawa yan or something. So like my job, first thing that I notice is the discipline or like the strict rules everywhere, na kahit tipong sa aso, ganyan, may rules talaga sila. So, and they really strictly followed the rules. Pero kasi sa atin parang madaming consideration na, oo, madaming batas, pero parang bakit hindi ko yun alam, gano'n. It's maybe because we're not educated enough to, like maybe hindi kasi lahat ng areas sa Philippines ay napupuntahan ng governments to like to educate people about the laws that are being implemented. Pero dito kasi sobrang dami talagang, pati nga sa mga pag-recycle like they have really strict rules in terms. Number 2 is the directness of the people. Dito pero hindi pa rin talaga ako makaget over or like hindi ko pa rin makakasabay-sabayan na like they're really very direct, na parang pag sa ating Filipino or mga Filipino, masashock tayo. It's like, bastos naman na itong babae na to, or like, napakabastos naman ng bata. Inconsiderate kasi sa feelings ng iba. Pero kasi sila dito, they are like, okay, I said what I said, and then you have to act like I told you. Or like, you tell that person what you feel so that you can talk. We are being resentful. Kasi parang, ayoko siyang sabihin, pero kinikim-kim ko siya. Yun ang disadvantage sa atin. Third culture shock ko naman dito is splitting the bill like 50-50. Kasi sa Philippines, if you're a host, then you have to pay all of the like so much. For example, you're eating outside and you guys have to pay your bills like overall. Pero dito kasi you have to clear out kung sino yung magbabayad, or like if you just pay separately shoes inside the house. So normally kasi sa Pilipinas parang syempre gusto natin malinis yung sahig and everything, pero dito kasi sa Germany parang pwede yan silang ipasok sa mga yung outside shoes or like outside slippers, pwede mong ipasok sa loob ng bahay. These things Sundays, as in Sunday talaga dito sobrang quiet. Ito yung most quiet day in the like among the other days, kasi yun sa Philippines parang most lively ata kasi siya kasi parang it's a family day. Pero dito in a way na family day, it's like not shopping or whatever kasi close lahat ng supermarkets. Of course, exception kapag may mga events sila ganyan, pwede silang mag-open on Sundays, but it's like very rare. I think 3 or also 3 or 4 times. In the Philippines, it's a family day. It's like going out together, going to church, and after that, mostly yung mga families kumakain sa labas, and then like going to mall. I think yun lang naman yung notice ko sa culture ng Germany and sa culture ng Philippines. If this interesting, please subscribe to my video and follow my channel. Cheers!